How to update drivers on Windows 11. The easiest way to update drivers is through Windows Update. First, right-click on the Start menu. Select Settings. Then go to Windows Update in the left-hand menu. Click on Check for Updates. Windows will automatically search for the latest updates, including driver updates. If any are found, they will be downloaded and installed automatically. If Windows Update doesn't find the latest drivers, you can manually update them using Device Manager. First, right-click on Start menu. Select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the category for the device you want to update. For example, if you are updating your graphics driver, expand Display Adapters. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search online for the latest driver software and install it if it's available. You can visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest version manually. If you'd rather not manually update drivers, you can use a third-party driver updater tool. Go to Google. Search IOBIT Driver Booster. Go to their official website. Download free version by clicking on Free Download. After downloading complete, open and install. Click Install. To avoid unwanted software installation, select Decline to avoid optional offers. After installation complete, click Scan Now. It will now scan your system and identify outdated drivers. After finding outdated drivers, click on Update Now to update all outdated drivers together. You can also individually update your driver. Click OK to confirm. Now it will update your outdated drivers automatically. After driver updated successfully, reboot your system to ensure the changes to take effect. And that's how you can update drivers on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.